ba 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 ba. Shit time. That was our rough rendition, guys, of the Hawaii 5-0 theme.
I think so. Do you see us? I don't know.
Can you see us?
Does anybody see us? Please.
Anybody blinded by the light?
Oh yeah, Paul
yeah,
says
we're on.
Paul says we're hot. Yeah, okay.
We're hot. So
Hey everybody, so Greg is here, Carter is here, Lon is here, the usual crowd is here. Good evening everybody, or good day, or good morning, or good night, wherever you just are.
yes. Hope the weather's nice, hot, cold, raining, dry, wherever you are. Snow.
Oh, the horrible word.
Yes. And today we have with us not Carlos.
Not Carlos.
Not Carlos.
No, not Carlos.
Not Carlos. So this is Dave Armstrong.
Yep.
Do you prefer Dave or David?
Dave.
Dave Armstrong, okay, from the UK. And there's a little story about why Dave is sitting here today. So basically, this goes back about a year. I was trying to repair an amplifier. Shall I show the guys what I was trying to do?
Yeah.
1 moment.
29 and you have turning the AC on? Okay.
Oh, AC is on.
Hello, PM Crisp.
It's Paul, yep.
Not Walker's Crisp, Paul Crisp.
Oh, Paul Crisp.
That camera.
Yeah. So I was trying to repair this thing, this upside down QSC PLX 3002 amplifier.
This is a misprint. Look at this. The labeling is completely wrong. Yeah.
What, it's completely upside down?
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the amplifier being.
Yeah, it's probably wrong. Probably a misprint.
No, it's upside down on the back as well. It's just the way this is mounted. And this has a blown standby transformer. And as the story goes, David contacted me and said, "Hey, I'm coming over to your way on holiday."
Can you check it out the bag and
We can, yeah.
see what it is?
We'll tell you what it is. So basically, Dave said, "I'm coming over on holiday. Would you like to meet up?" And we got chatting, and he said, "Oh, have you still got that old amplifier sitting around that needs a little transformer? Because I can get one for
Is that
you."
right side up?
Yeah.
Or should I turn it round?
It'll do.
Don't make it a misprint.
Yeah, don't make it a misprint. Don't turn it upside down. So basically, Dave said, "Do you still need it?" At the same time, the guys in Lanzarote who sent me this, a neighbouring island, said, "Hey, Rich, have you still got that there? Did you ever manage to get a part?" So we put 2 and 2 together, and Dave said, "Well, I'm coming on holiday anyway, and I'll bring you some stuff." So that's why Dave's here today. But I thought, Dave, would you have a chat with these guys, explain what you do,
Yeah.
who you are?
Well, I basically do everything and anything that's electronic and electrical. I'm electrical and electronic engineer. So I do amplifiers, TVs from back in the day, VCRs, everything, mixers, amplifiers, CD players, PCs, the lot, washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers.
That dirty stuff I don't like to touch.
What, washing?
Yeah, that stuff, yeah.
So, yeah. I get involved in anything and everything. I even like doing joinery, plumbing, things like that. So customers, when they're asking about me, it's like, "Oh, can you do this because we can't wait?" And it's like, "Yeah, it's a simple job. I'll do it." And yeah, it keeps customers happy.
Does saying simple job means you want it to do for next to nothing?
No, it's just a simple job to me. So yeah,
You think
not a simple job to them.
No, of course. So you are a self-employed,
No,
independent business?
I work for a firm as well, which do
God,
electronics and what have you. So I work for a firm as well, but I also work for myself, for my own customers.
So basically you're full-time employed by a company in electronics, and then as a side hustle you run your own independent electronic repair business.
Yeah, I can't put it down.
Are you married?
No.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. So you have plenty of spare time on your hands.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so that's Sue Davis. We'll put your email address on the screen if that's okay.
Yeah.
So
We'll put it in the chat.
Yeah, you're in Derbyshire,
Yeah, Chesterfield, Derbyshire.
which is pretty much in the middle of the country, about this as the middle as you can get to, really.
Isn't this right around the corner? Where
Yeah, I think so.
where you
Yeah,
from?
from my old stomping ground of Stoke-on-Trent, we're not a million miles, maybe 30
Oh,
miles or
still
something.
no, it's not. It's not far.
Not far.
No.
No. It's a bit
Oh,
like that in between, but it's not far.
There's the first question for you. Doing such a broad range of repairs, who helps you get the parts you need for the repairs, or how do you go about getting parts? This is something for you,
Well,
Dave.
I use Farnell, RS, DigiKey, Mauser. Trying to think who else there is.
AliExpress? Okay.
Yeah. I'll only use them if I can't get it anywhere else and I'm stuck, and I hope it comes through and I hope it works. Because otherwise you're buying twice or you're buying 3 times, and it's like, and customers don't want to wait.
Yeah.
They're not like over here.
Yeah, true.
Who else is? There's various suppliers that I can't think of. Trying to think.
Well, don't worry
Yeah,
about it as they come to your
yeah,
head. We'll just throw the
There's
throw the
loads
name.
of suppliers out there, but yeah.
Yeah. So this little transformer Dave got for me was from a small company in the UK.
It's if you grab that box.
Oh, the box. Okay, so I was going to mention next. So Dave also said, anything else you can't get? And then he said, oh, you're after some freezer spray, aren't you? And a few things. Oh, and then we got talking about the solder, the leaded solder and the HT1. So Dave kept saying, oh, I can find you stuff. And in the end, he brought me quite a lot of stuff over, which I am paying the guy for, by the way, I just mentioned. So, yeah. Shall I see what you brought in?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move this out of the way.
Oh.
What happened?
No. Just thought you were killing yourself or something.
No. Let me get everything. Oh.
I don't think we'll be interested in reels or components.
Well, we just found
We tried Reichelt here from the island. We tried Reichelt for once, and this was such a mess. But it wasn't a problem with Reichelt. It was a problem with the Spanish customs. So
yeah,
Spanish customs is
Sorry.
already.
Yeah.
I'm just having a delivery from Toman on the way, and pray for me, please.
Yeah. I mean, Reichelt, actually, the stuff I ordered for myself, the expensive stuff, arrived, and just about everything else didn't. That was a problem.
Where was that from?
Reichelt, they're a German company,
All right.
but they would send stuff here without the VAT because we don't have VAT here.
Yeah.
A lot of companies, rather than not charging the VAT, which legally they have to do, they just won't send it to you.
Yeah.
It's, strange. So, anyway, this little stash, and a little bit more, which we'll go into the next bit.
Yeah.
But anyway, what do we have?
Well, that transformer that
Greg.
that I got Richard.
Now they have parts groups or something, and they charging $3 for a group for something.
Who's
But
that?
last time I ordered something from AliExpress, they said, "Oh, you don't need to pay the customs. We do this for you because of reasons I don't know." So they will get around this.
The replacement transformer,
Okay. Is it the same? Is it the right one?
TSD 1135.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
And Joey, I need to confess, I bought a Fender thing. I'm a traitor.
So that's the old one in my left hand. That's the right one.
Let's get it out the bag. Let's have a look.
TSD 1135, and it come from a Enigma component shop
Oh,
in London.
show the guys there. This is where we got this strange little transformer from. Enigma. Hey,
That's
Zoom. Do you like the Zoom? Enigma Component Shop Limited, London.
Including sound effect.
I believe you said that this was the last one they had in stock. Or something?
Yes, it was when I went to get it, which was quite lucky. So I didn't wait for you to come back to me and say it's this transformer that I need.
You'd seen the video.
I just went ahead and got the transformer.
Joey, yes, I
It's,
heard. Yeah. And I'm really hoping that Fender gets a bloody nose from this stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
So the one with the black writing on, this is the
The
original.
darker black is the original, and the
And that's the replacement. So yeah.
it's made by the same company,
Yeah.
which is Premier Magnetics. I believe in California.
Ah, okay. So yeah, so that company were very good for finding something very rare.
I would have contacted the company direct, but I didn't
Got
have
IFP
time.
level
So
yeah, so that was that one. And then you brought some other interesting things. So what do we have? What do we have here?
well, I brought the offline switching IC for
Oh,
also to go with that transformer.
this is the IC that drives that.
That drives that to. It's the top 210 PFI.
Oh, this is the company.
It's an Enigma.
That's the supplier.
Enigma, you want to order cheaper. This is a UK company.
Yeah.
All you guys
Yeah,
in the
in
UK.
London.
In London. Huh? Exclusive 10% discount on your first order. EnigmaShop.com.
Oh, and it's in some tape as well.
Enigma Shop.
Keeps this one. We need to figure out if they're delivered to the island.
We do. Okay, we have that.
You might be good import charges. There's the. I won't take it out the anti-static packaging. Because
You could use the microscope.
yeah, that'll be
Because
better.
it would work way better than me fiddling around with the.
Oh. Top 210 ICs. And yeah, there was something like that was driving this. Yeah, I can just actually see it. So this is, I've got your address off here now, but
Yeah. I'm not sure.
no, it's off here.
Oh, you got it off. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So that little transformer from Enigma Shop.
So,
Yeah, I'll try to get it flat. There, I have it flat. So that's the transformer. It says QSC spare parts for the transformer. £12.99.
yeah,
So yeah,
plus shipping.
plus shipping.
Although it says free shipping on there, but I didn't get it direct through them.
If it's more than 12 to 30 bucks.
It came to £16.98 with
Yeah.
the shipping and the VAT.
Yeah, including the two ICs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, interesting
Is the
supply.
ICs
there.
on the?
Interesting supply. I'll put these back in here.
Has the ICs been on the? internet?
Yes, I think we had those on.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, under the microscope. We did get the microscope shot. So those are the drivers. So yeah, guys, that's an interesting little supplier. I'll put this stuff in here. And then, why did you bring the capacitors and stuff? There's some stuff lying around.
That's just something I won't no longer using. So
You thought, oh, I can have them.
yeah, give them to Richard if he's got any use for them, rather than me throwing them out.
What are these?
The 060-300R, 1%.
0603 100. Oh, these are 100,
Yeah,
100 ohm.
Yeah, 100 ohm.
Someone-
100 R.
100 ohm resistors. Oh yeah,
This
you.
is a tape wheel, is this? So these are surface mount 0603
you can see them in
resistors
there. Yeah, you can see
with
them.
various values.
06031K.
By the way,
various
these are the wheels that are normally in the placement machines.
Yeah,
Yes,
pick and place. Yeah.
taking place. Huh, okay, so we have some of those.
And
Thank you very
before-
much for those.
And before this, I think this was Super 8 film.
Oh,
schools.
Super 8 film, yeah, it looks like.
Yeah.
It has that look. What else do we have here?
I brought along some other replacement top 244 PN and the 245 PN.
Because these are kind of obsolete now, these chips.
These ones aren't. No, you can still get these ones. The
Okay,
top 210 PFI,
yeah,
they're obsolete.
okay.
It was just lucky that they had some of those as well, and I
Okay.
could get those.
And this is DigiKey.
Sorry, that left.
This is DigiKey.
TOP 244 and now it's gone.
PN. And the top 245 PN.
So DigiKey.
Offline switching ICs.
We actually have DigiKey here as well.
Why did it say Gran Canaria on the sticker?
Because that's what I put on my reference.
Oh, so okay. So I thought, how does DigiKey knows that this will end up in Gran Canaria?
And there was kind of a story to that, because when I ordered it on Thursday, and I rung on the Friday, Sorry, I didn't ring. I got on the web chat because it's quicker on the web chat with DigiKey rather than ringing through to America in Minnesota. The lady says, why are you worried about if they're going to turn up in time? And I said, well, they're going with me to Gran Canaria. And she went, all right, okay, leave it with me. The next thing, by about an hour later on the Friday, shipping confirmation, and they'd gone through. Because they were saying there was expected delays due to high volumes of orders, things like that. So, yeah, they were good enough to
expedite them for you.
Yeah, ship
Excellent.
it
Excellent.
quite quickly.
Excellent.
And you're looking at 3 to 4 days, and they're here. You know, you've got them in your hands.
It's quick, yeah. And was this thing from the same place?
No.
This is not a suppository, by the way, or
A sex toy.
a sex toy. This is. Do you guys know what this is?
It's not cheap.
Thermally conductive oxime cure, or TV. So, poltergeist. Yeah. So, you guys know what this is, yeah?
You need to explain this now for the people.
Okay.
That-
David, what's
I
this?
thought I were waiting for them to try and have a guess at it, and then if they can't guess it, I'll tell them what it is. I think they might find
repairs.
that.
Does the island have electronic component supplier local, or do all the parts have to be shipped in? Well, we have one electronic store left in Las Palmas. One.
Yeah.
And this isn't the greatest source, I tell you.
But you do have quite a lot of stuff in. It's quite a big shop.
Yeah, but if you want to have something besides long cables and stuff.
There's a lot of components.
Yeah, if it's old transistors, so this is probably why you like it.
Yeah.
All the new stuff, not really. If so, you're ordering, yeah.
But
so,
yes, capacitors and resistors and power resistors and old
so if you're thinking of something like a Conrad filiale or something, you don't have this here. No, sadly not.
And
But you know, this is a market thing. You could open a store here.
there was one at one time in Maspalomas.
Damn it.
But yeah.
Luca, hey mate. Sorry, this is always happening.
No.
Always all over the
That's
place.
fine.
So this stuff which is not a sexual device is glue.
Well, it says that thermoconductive, whatever oxime pure ITV is.
Yeah, RTV.
I think it has got a model number somewhere. There you go. Well, should I say part number? Not model number.
Electrolube. So it's a sex thing anyway.
It is a sex thing. Electrolube.
We knew this. Come on. We're grown-ups here. Used by 25.
There's the part
25.
number.
Used by 25. Look at this.
Yeah, it's still wet. Pardon the expression.
This is one of these
Because
episodes.
I tried it on a motor mover where I was attaching a thermal cutout to
Yeah,
the top of some relays.
Here in America, it's most easy to find parts and cheaper. Yeah, absolutely, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
The
stuff,
island is horrible for this. So
Yeah.
everything must be ordered. Everything must be imported. Or brought over by Dave.
Oh, we'll do it by Dave, yeah. Our new supplier. So this is for attaching things like NTC thermistors onto
Yep.
heat sinks. If you sometimes find like something bonded to the heat sink to monitor the temperature, or the little thermostatic cutout things,
Or a thermal fuse, yeah.
or thermal fuse, and this is the sort of glue they use to stick them to heat sinks. So that's really handy. For me, anyway.
Yes. It's not cheap. It is quite thick to get out of the thing. This is a pain in the backside to get it out with one of them. If you've got a proper gun for it to go in,
Oh,
and you've got a trigger on it,
I have the gun, but this is a bit.
yeah,
silicon
you
things.
take that out.
It's too thin to fit into the.
Yeah, not
Well, your gun's too thin.
No, the gun's thicker than that.
Oh right,
Told you it's one of these episodes.
Do you
it's not one of them kind of shows.
Do you want to see the size of my pistol?
Yes. I shouldn't have said that.
If I know where it is, I've lost
Hey, Eric. Good evening, mate.
I've lost it.
It's a Linux thing.
That's what she said.
No, I can't easily lay my hands on it. So Dave brought something else, and that's this. And you guys have told me about this, that you can use this as freezer spray.
Plenty of people will know about that.
So this is air duster. Are you going to demonstrate?
Yeah, pull it out. Pardon the expression.
We'll find
It's stiff.
We'll find something we can freeze. So this is an air. So this is actually effectively for cleaning, blowing dust.
Well, yeah, for blowing. Yeah, it's not getting any better. This is it.
No, this is for blowing. So yeah, you can use this for cleaning, and you can also use this freezer spray. I've never tried this. Okay.
Well, the price of freezer spray now
is
is
like £25 a tub, an aerosol.
It's going out the window. It's really crazy.
Okay.
I mean, there's your. Is it on the camera?
So it just blows air.
That just blows air, as you can hear.
Yeah.
But then, if you turn it upside down, you got your finger.
Oh, yeah, it freezes.
That's cold.
What did you expect?
Look, well, can we get the shot on the camera first?
Maybe.
Well,
You want to have a
IC?
camera?
Is it on the IC?
Yeah, onto an IC. Have we got the camera? And that freezes.
Yeah, it will freeze over. It's freezing over.
Under the microscope. Oh yeah. That
sorry, there you go.
H3080 is frozen. Yeah. That'll do. And it's all freeze. Ah. I can see the ice forming on it. Yeah.
I'm on the one next door.
Yeah.
They're really cheap, proper freezer sprays. They cost like €5. There's triotetrode. Sounds German again. If you don't hold, they can still. The problem will come out when you don't want to. But yeah, this is right. So you need to be careful with the air duster thing. Because if you tilt it, then you have all the crappy stuff. Oh yeah, this is.
Well, I'm trying to do it on camera and trying to.
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah.
Okay, so I now have freezer spray. This is how much for air duster?
This one was £4
£4.
Okay.
for a 400ml can.
And you got 2 in 1. You got freezer spray.
Freezer
plus,
spray and the duster.
That's the thing, you think.
And it came from Asda.
Asda supermarket.
Other shops are available. But the one in the pound shop was like £2 for 250ml, and it was like you pick the can up and it was like this big.
Okay,
There's nothing in it, and it's like no.
Yeah. Okay, so we now have some freezer spray on the channel. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Dave, for that. And while this is under the microscope,
there's a question. Wait. From Old Time Electronic Repairs, I see you have component drawers. I'm trying to organize mine. Do you have some specific software to help keep track of what's in stock?
Oh, now then.
Now he's called away.
I knew of some software.
This is a question for you guys. I'm out here.
Before
Dave?
we end the chat, I'll have a look on my phone in a minute, and I'll find it out for you, and we'll put a link up on
software,
I'll put the websites up on the chat for everybody to see. It's free to use, open source. So yeah.
The only time I would need that, so I keep stuff in component drawers, but it's kind of like organised in an alphanumeric sort of way.
Yeah.
So like I'll have like one drawer, say, for transistors from like BC100 to BC199, and the next one BC200 to BC299, and then inside the drawer, individual little bags with the components in numerical order. Yeah. The only time I need software, I would say, is with SMD components, where they have SMD codes on the components. Yeah. So sometimes I might want to find the SMD code. Sometimes I might find what it is. So like a transistor might say A1. Yeah. But then it's an MMBT 2903, blah, blah, blah. So I actually used Excel just to make a list of the SMD codes and the list of what they are.
Yeah.
And then if I want to know, do I have any MMBT 295? I filed them under the SMD code. And then if I want to find, oh yeah, MMBT, oh yeah, it's this A1.
Yeah.
So that's how I did it.
Yeah. Well, this program that's you can download it.
That's a machine. Go for it.
I'm trying to. I'll find it on my phone and I'll come back to you and I'll get it up on here.
Okay.
It's actually a database, so you can use it wherever you are.
And you can search. You can search on any
So
sort of category.
if you're like me, out in the field somewhere, and you think, have I got this part? You can go, yeah, I've got some of those.
Ah, okay.
And you know what you've got on hand,
You're
rather than trying to think, have I got any of them?
Yeah.
You know.
You were far more
you
organised
know,
than me. Yeah.
I haven't done it yet.
Oh, that's the plan. Okay.
But yeah, I'm still getting around to it. I'm very, very, very busy.
Okay. Well, while this is on the screen and Dave is looking for that, this chip here,
Let it go.
H3080. Does anybody know what that IC is? And yes, we do actually know now, but I'm wanting to see if any of you guys know.
Feels like being back in school. Does anybody know what this IC is?
Yes, H3080. So
Bueller?
you guys have a think about that. I'll leave it out there for a while. We can tell you eventually what it is. And Dave brought one other thing over, and this leads into an interesting experiment. Yeah. So,
What was it?
we have.
It's an 8-pin one. Dutch, you win.
Which one?
You can see another browser CA3080.
Yes, it's correct. So it is.
Harris Sub-8 amplifier linear devices from Google.
It is, in actual fact, a OTA or operational transconductance amplifier, which is like an op amp, but it has a voltage controlled pin that sets the gain.
Carter, this was my first reaction. Some op amp.
So op amp, yeah.
Has nobody got the correct part number for it yet?
It's actually, they say it's a CA3080. It is, but if you look
It's
at
an equivalent to
it's
the
an equivalent
CA3080.
because the CA3080 is not SMD. It is through hole.
You can get them SMD.
Oh, can you? Okay.
Yeah.
It's the equivalent. So,
but they're not cheap. And neither's the dip either.
Yeah, this is the thing I was dropping a spot of isopropyl on. I think you guys saw the video. This was scary. I put one spot of isopropyl in the middle of that, and the amplifier went
Is
very
this
loudly.
residue from the freezer spray?
This is residue from the freezer spray.
This looks horrible.
Yeah, it does rather. Oh, oh, the freezer spray leaves residue.
Well, you just wipe it off.
My original freezer spray didn't actually. Yeah.
Drop some ISO on there. This, let's see if this gets removes.
Okay.
Removes
ISO. It is. Does it remove the?
Yeah.
I'm not even going to say what that. I'm not even going to say what that dried up residue looks like.
Tim says, I started recording what I have in my inventory on a spreadsheet. The only issue is that I was keeping it up to date.
Yes.
Tim, of course, my friend.
That is the issue. Okay.
Where did ISO go?
I have a bit of ISO.
Get some liquid nitrogen. Oh man, we played around with liquid nitrogen back in the days when I was in Germany, and we did a photo shoot with that because we wanted to have this giant fog things, and we actually dropped some roses in there and smashed them on a wall.
That's going to be on the floor, mate.
Okay. Not
wrong one.
Okay, so a bit of isopropyl. Let's give it a rub over, and then let's just wipe it off, and then let's let it dry, and let's see if the.
I always call it isopropyl.
Okay, isopropyl or isopropyl, whichever.
Yeah, it's gone now.
It's gone now, I think.
So that's fine.
Oh, that's where the bottle went to.
Yeah, I kept it.
Yeah, yeah. So I now keep this in the fridge and just drip some of this on as well. It's another. It's probably a bit more directed than the freezer spray. you guys interested if I make a video about OTA, operational trans conductance amplifiers? Because it seems, generally speaking, not a lot of people know exactly what these things are.
Not to break your stride there, but Dutch says something about they're still talking about the organizing inventory.
Okay.
I made myself a little PHP script using MySQL to inventory all my components and update them. I use it just to type what I used and what I added. So you probably can use this on your phone and you can use this everywhere. Dutch, isn't this a good idea to make a video about?
If I put my glasses on, I might be able to see something.
Because Dutch, this would be something more people are interested in. And you can use something like there's a free web space for this, and they even do MySQL databases for this.
Yeah, people are asking about yes, do a video on the OTA.
Okay, I will definitely do. No mathematics involved, but I will explain what they are.
And Kaluka wants a video on the OPA. This would be grandfather in German.
Yeah.
OPA?
Yeah.
OPA?
Yeah.
What is that? Operational...
Yeah. Opa and Oma video. Yes, please. So this is grandpa and grandma.
Well, I actually have ordered some of those OTAs from AliExpress.
Right.
And I had a look and I can see a very simple tester, which I'll do on the same video, which effectively you plug the OTA in from AliExpress or wherever.
Did you know?
And if it's good, an LED will flash. And
Yeah.
if it's not
Yeah.
a good one, the LED one bright will not flash. And if you turn the little potentiometer, it actually speeds up and slows down the
Yeah.
flashing rate, which only works on a real genuine.
But would it pick up a thermally conductive?
No, I don't think it would
Faulty
pick up
part
that fault.
like
no.
this one.
So I think what we'll be able to do is put that chip onto the tester.
Yeah.
Using one of the little breakout boards like you would when you're programming an op amp.
Yeah. One of
So
those.
programming an EEPROM.
Yeah.
We plug that in on the tester and then we'll drop some something cold on or freeze it and see if it still works. So okay, we'll do that. We'll make a video and I'll make a very simple tester.
That was a shot from back in the days. This is liquid nitrogen roses. Sorry, I'm talking with Anthony here.
You didn't put the girl in the liquid nitrogen, just
No. She didn't want to go there.
Okay. So, shall we move on to another little topic, or shall we stick on this for a little while?
Okay, let's get the people are asking about
Yes, it
this.
was cool. Yeah.
People are asking about this
Organise it, okay?
organizer or open source inventory database thing. How do I get can I get a website up on there for them?
Yes, you can. I can, just one moment. Escape, isn't it? Come out of this. No, function F1 again. There we go. What's the website you want to go to?
Just give me
The little keyboard.
keyboard.
There you go, one little keyboard.
It's an English one this time, so.
Yes, an English keyboard. But it's only a small keyboard.
Do I have some Coke in the...
We have
thing?
some Coke and we have some beers.
No, I think let's start with some caffeine.
We have, does Dave want one or just you want one?
I want one.
What have you got?
The Cola Zeros and beers.
Cola, please. Start off with.
And then we go to the beers.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, mate.
Okay, so while Dave's just doing that and finding the website, I will just tell you that the other thing he brought over was some solder. So this is, you can probably see it in the little corner there, this is the Dura tool. Am I in your way, Dave? Okay.
No, it's fine.
So this is Dura tool 6040 or 6337.
And only for professional use. So
Only for professional use.
Only you can use it.
There is a part number on that reel facing the camera right now. It's a D.
1016 and 82.
Okay, so this was, this is half a kilo.
500 grams.
500 grams, and this was from CPC in the UK. So you can buy this in the UK. And this was about £12 something for 500 grams.
CPC is the sister company to Farnell.
Farnell.
How to get in the EU? Yes, Kaluka. Yeah, indeed.
Which
yeah.
Farnell is now owned by.
Dave now is
a
in
while. They've been owned by Avnet for quite a while now because Avnet bought them.
So every time Dave comes over now, he needs to bring one of these. And every time one of you guys comes over here, you need to buy some solder stuff for us.
Yeah, part number is D01682.
Yeah.
And this is 6040 lead tin solder. So we're going to have a play with that when Dave's on his website. And we're going to compare on the same test we did before.
Can't put...
What you after?
I can't put two... it's alright, I want
You've lost
to put...
something.
yeah.
Sorry, there's a bit of a...
I'm not used to wired mice.
Okay, well, there's a wide mouse mat there, go with it. Okay, well, you've put a word... what are you trying to find? That's it, get up.
I think we got it now. Let's see. The future of building happens together.
Yeah.
So why hasn't it gone
Oh,
to...
you want to get up, okay.
Why hasn't it gone to... that then? Okay.
Kester available in UK. I have no clue.
Kester, I believe people were buying that from
the search was up there.
Amazon.
Kester.
Oh, was it?
I'll leave you typing.
Okay, you can get
that's
it
just gone to GitHub though. It hasn't gone to the.
Well,
I don't know why it's not gone
you
to
didn't,
the
you
directly
didn't,
to
you
the.
put GitHub / you didn't put anything else after it.
No, I just wrote it as they put it here.
Okay, fine.
So, yeah, it's...
Okay, we won't argue. So anyway, we're going to try very shortly.
Well,
David's
I'll bring up another one.
this. Go on.
I'll bring up another one because whoever's wrote that, I think they've made a mistake.
No, don't. Oh, okay.
You don't need to put the HTTPS in.
No, I'll just do it because of I always do it. I see it's written, so.
Okay.
This is not the one I was thinking of, but this is another one. And I believe this is German, this one.
German?
Well, sort of looking at it.
So this is docs.port-db.de. That's German.
Oh, it's a CPC. So yeah, I remember these trader accounts. Yeah, there was something when we bought from Felder with the university. We need to do something same there. Horrible.
Okay. So this is an open source inventory management system for your electronic components. On the web server, you can access it from anywhere. Okay.
That's not the one I was thinking about, but when it comes to me, I'll go back on the live stream at a later date, and I'll add that onto the comment.
Yeah, in the comment. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, this would be great if you had a group of us like-minded people maybe got together, if we're happy to share a bit of stuff around, and we put some of the unusual stuff we've got in, make a note if it's new or if it's salvaged, then maybe we can make a bit of a database of some of this very obscure stuff we have.
Well, the reason why I've still got to do it, still got it up here, but the reason why I need to do it is because I've got various companies coming at me with faults on caravans, motorhomes, camper vans, various things, or people will ring up, can you do this? And if I know it's like, let's say something for a caravan or motorhome for a charger or something, then if the guy rings me or messages me, can you do this? I can go straight onto there and go, yeah, I've got those bits in stock, and I can say, yeah, I'll have it done in a week. Otherwise, it might be 2 weeks or what have you. But yeah, I just like to know that I've got the parts available. And
this is online, so you use your phone anyway just to check. Yeah, I get that. I get that. What about you guys? Do you find use for that?
Dutch office here. When I had time to mod it and put it on Codeberg, GitHub Alternative, and I will email Richard with a link if that works for you. Dutch. I don't want to. I'm not want to make you work here for this. This was just me thinking if it would be ready to deploy, this would be an easy thing. Because I think there's a lot of people here in the chat that really would like to see something that comes from the community here. And I love the idea of having this on a web server. I think Rich would never use this. You probably won't use this, right? Database for what you have in stock.
I had a Excel already. Not for all the things like the resistors and capacitors, but for semiconductors, transistors, ICs mainly. I have that already, although it probably needs updating.
As always it does.
Yeah, but I do I do have that which I can submit anyway.
Yeah. Another channel, Dev from. Oh, Greg, you mentioned him before. Yeah, has developed an online part system. Here's a video. Okay, looks like we're not the first. You're not that you're not the first to think about this. Yeah. Cool. Okay.
Really interesting that.
Zaxman says Kester Red Label. Red Label?
Oh, we're talking about solder now.
Wasn't this something different?
We're on the solder. We're on the solder. Well, we've sorted the sorts thing. We've sorted the parts thing now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have with me the hot plate.
Joey, since you're in Germany, if you have the chance to get Felder solder, this is
Get
the
that out
stuff.
of the way.
Yeah.
Felder. We tried to order this to you. No, not possible.
Oh, you couldn't. Yeah, the quantities weren't enough or something.
What do you do? Set this off screen?
No, we switch cameras.
All right.
Oh, sorry, yeah, we have a multiple camera system. Don't worry about it. Jet's the cameraman. So yeah, so that's what people are seeing that one over there. So I have the hot plate, and we did this experiment.
Sorry.
This is the experiment we previously did with the various solders I had here, leaded solder.
A couple of weeks ago, wasn't it?
A couple of weeks or so ago, yeah, a few weeks. So this is the one which Dave's brought over. So we're going to compare this with the Mechanic HXT100, which is my favourite one, which I was struggling to get. But I have used the Duratool one in the UK. I remember it was good. And then today at the car boot sale, I found this. Yeah. It's solder, I can say that much. I don't know what composition it is.
It's some weird kind of metal, I call this. I'm not sure about solder.
well, I found this at the car boot sales. It's upside down.
Yeah, it is upside down.
Not a wrong printed, man.
Rosy.
Rossi.
Rosifex.
Or Rostex or something. Rosinex.
So I found this Rosinex, and
Not
I
Robinex,
actually,
the group.
it's obviously been used, but it's quite a bit on. It's very thick. So
Not for surface mount.
I'm assuming it's solder. So I thought we'd have a little competition, see if anybody can guess what temperature this would melt at, if it's any good. I paid €1 for it for the fun of it.
Great for copper pipe work, indeed, man. Yeah, that's plumber solder.
And I also found for €1 again this roll of solder, I'm guessing. But this appears like it has rosin in it. It's brown on the end, if you can see that on the camera, not very well. So I thought we'd do an experiment. We'll compare the stuff that Dave bought with the Mechanic, and we'll compare it with these two and see what that stuff actually is. How about that? Ta-da! So I'm going to plug the hot plate
You do
in.
your thing there.
I'm going to plug in the hot plate.
Oh, isn't this a hot plate that never works, right?
It works perfectly fine. USB connection. And it should be set to the temperature. Alien Tech. Heat. Reflow set. Heat.
Yeah.
You have to press something, it'll do it.
Oh, the rosin in the middle of the core is very
That's it.
corrosive. Oh yeah, this is probably the old stuff, yeah.
Okay, so it's set to 215 degrees, which is the same temperature we used previously. So leaded solder will melt at about 185, so 215 is enough. And then in actual fact, the Mechanic and the silver line
What's the standard?
actually works very well at that temperature. So we're going to sling this on here. We are going to take a bit of the
Can you move a bit?
Yeah.
Duratool. Yeah, wait for it to warm up a little bit first. Let's let it warm up. When it gets the temperature, we're going to put a bit of this Duratool on, or Duratool, which is that one. And we're going to put a bit of the Mechanic.
That's the one that you said you used to use.
I used to use this in the UK. I had a 500 gram real. I mean, this was before I moved here. So more than 10 years ago, a long time before I had the channel. But it worked fine.
Right. 30 minutes to go through the menus. I remember this now, yeah. Absolutely, Joe.
Yeah, but it's set right. It's set. No. So that's the Dura tool, which was 0.7 millimetre. It was about £12 something for.
£12.
Yeah.
65. I think.
Yeah, so for about £25 UK, I've got a kilo of it.
Do you need a company account for that, or did you buy this as you?
Well, I've got it. My Armstrong Electronics Chesterfield on
Anybody
CPC
can
account.
open an account with them.
But yeah, anybody can. But yeah.
See, proof alien exists really has alien tech. He always has alien tech. There's always alien tech.
Aliens exist. Yeah.
Alien Tech is sending me 2 USB analyzers.
Two aliens.
2 aliens. They're sending me a couple of USB analyzers. What temperature are we at now? 172. So we're getting there.
Oh yeah, it starts to smell like burning electronics now.
Well, we should be able to tell when the solder starts to melt. At the moment, it isn't hot enough. But 180, 990.
This will take some time to get to the copper over here.
Yeah, it'll take a little while to get through that as well.
FR4.
It will eventually melt. 202.
Every time I fire up the welder hand soldering gun, the lights dim.
Oh, one of those big old ones that you can only use for like 10 seconds. And then you have to turn it off and leave it off for 20 seconds.
That's melting now.
Yeah, that's if you watch South Park crap people.
That's melting. Yeah. I think they're all starting. Yeah, they're all melting now. Okay. Oh, these ones are not. These were the good ones. So this was HXT1. Oh, Wuppertal. Wuppertal. That was Wuppertal, and that was
Staniol.
Yeah, that's Stanol. That was HXT100. This one over here is Silverline, the very silvery one. So. Of course, I've forgotten which one was which by now. It's going to happen, yeah.
I think that one was the Duraton one.
Well, let's make sure we get it right,
yeah.
So we'll make sure we get this right. So
you know what Richards is doing now?
I'm just taking a bit of solder off the mechanic.
Making little solder balls.
Little solder balls. So this is the mechanic.
This won't work for your GPU. Don't worry.
This is from the mechanic's balls, yeah. If you want to put it out. So this is my favourite HXT 100.
Can I get closer? I can.
You can. I've only stood it like flat on there at the moment. You want to probably want to lie outside.
It should
get a bit of heat into that.
It should go.
It should go. Go, 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 go.
Indeed,
it's going.
It's going.
It's going.
Get friends in Wuppertal, indeed. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's HXT 100.
Okay, drop in the Dura.
So this is the Dura tool, which says it is composition tin 60 lead 40. This is 6337 mechanic. But this should work very similar to that. Just to wrap a bit around the thing. Get a little blob of it. Okay. So for £12 for half a kilo.
65.
£12.65 for half a kilo. This is Dura tool. Look at that.
Ooh.
That's nice solder. That's a good solder, guys. Look, it's nice and shiny.
Can you just do a bigger lump?
I can do a bigger lump than that.
Just
And it's
like even the amount to the mechanic.
Sorry, a bigger lump of.
Even amount to the mechanic, because people might think that
Kaluka, I'm not
it
really,
wasn't a fair
Okay.
test.
not really sure if there was some temperature raise between the tests. So
Well, I'll tell you what we can do is.
normally, I'd say you need to do this on at the same time.
Let's do it at the same time.
Put the Duraton on this corner.
I'm going to drop 2 of them on at the same time. Well, in fact, you're going to help me with this.
I'll do this one.
So I have the mechanic.
You do one there.
Where?
There.
There.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
We're on.
Oh, that went a bit wrong.
Well, we're almost on. This one's nearer the edge.
So this is the Duraton,
Yeah.
and this is the
The
mechanic.
mechanic. Give it a bit of chance. There's a bigger lump of it. And obviously this is only set to 215, this is much lower.
Yeah.
And there's the Dura tool going.
Dura tool's going before the mechanic.
And there goes the mechanic one moments after.
Yeah, and after this we need a fresh copper plate, indeed, Dutch.
Well,
It's still got a couple of corners.
I say this is this melted better than that one.
I think it did.
Yeah, Dura will work better.
The Dura tool worked
I think
better.
it did.
Okay, so for you guys in the UK, set up a free account with CPC. CPC for now.
Yep.
Who are based in Preston, I believe,
Yes,
in
they
the
are.
UK.
Yeah.
And you can buy, well, for £25 you get a kilo, and a kilo of that is going to last you a long time.
Yep.
And send us some.
And send us some.
Yeah. In dire need of good solder.
I don't want to upset the sellers on eBay, but people are selling it on eBay for like 100 grams for £12.
£12.
90,
Yeah.
91 what you wanted to send me a link
And this
for.
was 500
and I'm
grams.
like, no, I'm not paying that for 100 grams. I'll buy 500 grams, thank you very much.
Okay. So, this one.
Ah, damn it, we're not done.
We need some predictions.
Rosin X. Not Robin S, the group.
Go for it.
So this is Rosin X. What do people think? I want some predictions for this. Is it going to melt? Yeah. Predictions?
Oh, you got it there already.
I have it noticed in my tweezers.
Looks like a worm.
Psst, you want to buy some Dura tool half of kilo? Yeah, Rosie next is next. Yeah, Rosie is next. Any guesses?
A minute,
Shall we try it?
50 seconds.
Go for it.
Ready, let's go for it. What does it do? I mean, that's quite a big blob.
Sorry.
It's smoking, I think.
Oh, let's take some time.
I mean, this is a very thick stuff. It's supposed to be a good couple of millimetres. Like.
It's going. Is it
going?
It's
sure?
sending some smoke off it.
I don't see.
It's sending out smoke signals.
Smoke signals, yeah, definitely.
Richard and his blobs, indeed. We're going to need a bigger plate, indeed.
It's no good, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, for thermal.
Whoa,
Thermal
this
transfer.
hasn't even started to melt.
Leave it on for a bit.
Leave it on for a while.
If you press it down, maybe it gets better contact to
Well-
the surface.
Well, we'll put the soldering on it in a little while as well, but while that is kind of like trying to melt,
I think it's starting.
I think you're right.
No. Oh, yeah.
So this is the plain spool one. This is the other one I paid €1 for.
I paid €1 for because
Oh, sorry.
Richard again didn't get his allowance for the month. Thank you.
We're fighting.
There.
Gloves are off.
There. Okay, there. I actually remembered to bring that for you then. I forgot to give it to you.
I didn't expect this.
Oh, this is melted.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
it's melting.
Oh, it's horrible. Look, it's like.
whoa.
It's like a slug.
Yeah.
I'd say this feels like a leadless,
Leadless.
but leadless, yeah, but it can't be because it's so old.
Yeah, I think it's so old. It doesn't flow, does it?
Oh, it could be that you need a flame for this. That's true. Yeah, it could be that
Yeah.
the melting point is so high that you need a flame.
Well, we can put the soldering iron on it if you just let me grab the soldering iron. So the soldering iron is set to what temperature? Just warming up now.
It's got a part number, but I can't see what the part number is.
Right, the soldering iron is at 380.
Somebody's put the finger through it.
Ready? 380. It's liquid, but it doesn't like. It stayed in a clump, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, this probably doesn't have any resin in there, so this probably needs flux.
Excuse me, guys. Let's make a little bit of smoke. We'll give it a bit of flux.
Third X.
Oh, this doesn't help. Oh, this is the first time I see that
Jesus
this
Christ.
doesn't help. Never look. This doesn't help. Try the soldering iron again.
Now it's formed.
Whoa.
Now it's formed a ball, but it still doesn't want to stick to the.
What the frick?
Do you think this is intended for soldering some other sort of metal?
Fuck me.
I'd
That's what she said.
say you need a flame for this. This is not something. Maybe the temperature of the surface is not high enough.
Okay, well let's try the other one. So the one which is unmarked, yeah. Let's see what this one does. Does this melt?
It looks too thin for plumber's solder to me, but
Oh shit! I've dropped it. Can I have that?
That didn't work.
It's on the hot plate.
I'd hope it melts as slow as the other one.
Right.
It is.
It
Good.
does melt as slow as the other one. So it's not 60-40 salt. Whatever it is. These guys said for €1 you're going to get ripped off there, but I just wanted the amusement. It's not so funny. I've had to give that the €2.
High surface tension helps capillary actions, indeed. So,
It's not doing anything.
but this is the same horrible stuff.
This is even worse. This is even worse stuff. This is, yeah, there's no name on it.
And now you know why.
Yeah.
Nobody wanted to put their name on there.
that's why I took the name off it. So when
Yeah,
he had it in
yeah.
his toolbox, he didn't pick the shit stuff.
Does it do anything? Doesn't do anything.
Solar paste. I remember Kaluka, indeed.
Shall we put
Oh man, this is
some?
some years ago.
Shall we put the soldering iron on it? Do you think it's going to do anything?
You might as well, it's there.
So far,
right here.
it's doing nothing. Okay, so 380 degrees. What do we get? Now we.
No, electronics. This is not a gauge 18 wire, so it does something, but
It does something.
this is as horrible as the
It's
other one.
gone as soon as you put the solder on it, but it's not.
But you wouldn't think it was lead-free solder because
It might be. It's.
I've only put a tiny bit. But you wouldn't think it was lead-free because it's too old, isn't it?
But isn't anything above 450 degrees anyways? It's
You know,
considered,
Yeah.
it might be
considered
lead-free.
hard soldering, hard luting.
It's hot. It's got a funny colour.
That one's quite silvery though. That
Yeah, but this
one on
look
the
at,
thick rail.
look at this one's gone grey.
Yeah.
I put a bit of flux on it. It's turned grey.
Well,
Not the right.
It might be shitty lead-free solder.
I don't know.
Because lead-free solder's been out quite a long time now, so.
Oh no, it's solidified. Look at that.
Taste test.
When I added some flux to it,
What on your finger?
when I added some flux to it, the whole thing's solidified. Oh, you have to put the soldering iron back on it again.
Oh, and of course, in plumbing, you need lead-free solder because plumbing. So
Plumbing.
Yes.
you don't want to have some particles of lead flying around in your drinking waters.
Yeah.
There's a thought.
Excuse me, but when we were kids,
Thank you, Chris.
excuse me, when we were kids, the water pipes were lead pipes.
Yeah.
The pipes were made of lead.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so from that, I think we can come to the decision. The Dura tool is at least as good as the mechanic, if not
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
And it's so cheap
Sorry.
that'll last me ages.
I was sent a link the other day. Well, I say sent a link. A seller sent me, like, you know, are you interested in this on eBay? And lo and behold, it was mechanic solder. This one.
HXT.
Yeah, it was that one.
Okay, we cool it down now. Yeah? I mean, I've always sworn by this HXT, but that Dura tool it's at least as good. If not better.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there we go. And you can buy that in the UK because it says for professional use only.
Yeah. Well, they've got to label it as that now.
Yeah, apparently you have to put that on the label. But you don't need a license or anything to actually buy it.
No.
How many of you guys out there actually in the UK? I know some of you are.
Yeah, we have some people from the UK in in the community.
We'll move that.
Remember that you need to clean it. This is I don't know how aggressive the air dust air dust thing is. So
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah.
Well, while that's cooling down before I unplug it,
Oh, he's got these out again.
let's get these.
too big.
Yes, I have to change the zoom on it.
Okay.
That always happens.
That always happens.
Yeah.
The
So there goes the microscope light.
Oh,
And
another bit's fell out of it now.
The reflective parts fell out.
Oh, great.
The whole thing's fell apart.
Yorkshire. Chris is from Yorkshire.
Oh, he's not so far from you then, Dave. The whole thing's fell apart.
Manticore is in East London, and
It's all sticky.
Eric Hartman, of course, is you're in Southport.
It's keyed.
Okay. I think this is something to do with.
Oh yeah, right. Dutch, we know that you're from the Netherlands. By the way, do you know Tinytronics? Oh, you don't do that much with microprocessors. So, and Joey is from Scotland but lives in the Netherlands, right? Too. Yeah. And
That's,
Castle, of course, Sweden. Yeah.
I think you're gonna have to turn it over.
Yeah, we
At
can
some
fix
point,
that. We can.
Richard,
We don't need that. It'll
because
work without it.
you don't want to stay in.
Well, never mind. For now, we can.
It's got some like silicon grease on it.
Something's on it.
Because it's leaving the residue
you
on
can't
my
get-
fingers.
You can't go that high
Why?
because it won't fit on the screen.
No,
Oh,
just
just very barely.
They fit. Okay.
Is there a switch?
Yes.
Go.
Detlef found these.
Now you need to switch the thing.
Function F11.
No, you need to activate the thing first.
I do. 1 minute, guys. Chaos as usual has occurred. Somebody had the mouse. It's now over there. More chaos.
that's why I like wireless mice. Not wire steering.
That one.
Pardon me.
Okay.
Got you on screen.
Pardon.
Detlef found these.
Won't tell the people anything.
I was just about to shout something out there. But
Detlef found these.
open that link.
Which week?
The link.
Louis. You know what these are?
Wait, do this on camera. Do this on camera. Do this on camera.
There. Okay. So, look at this. So that opens up, and then
I'll put it back under it.
yeah. So what you can do with these, basically, when you open them up, you can poke a wire in there. and
No,
then
you
clamp
need to
it
show
back
them.
down.
No, you need
We
to show them.
certainly do. So we need a bit of wire. Can we use a bit of thick solder because that's what's on the bench at the moment.
Yeah, of course.
There's got to be some use for that thick solder. So this is the thing that Det found.
It's like a Vago clammer.
Is
Like
it?
a Vago clip thingamajig.
Yeah, it's like a banana plug thing.
No, the
full
banana plug is the other side. This is like a
Yeah, the banana plug's on that side.
Yeah, so you stick this in the thing.
This is like a Vago.
And then you just clamp the little
We'll put your lever in.
that part through.
That's it. And then it's
Ta-da!
it's solid.
And then you can
Instant cable from
Instant cables.
bananas is, for example, for power supplies.
power supply, bench power supplies.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Jesse James showed them on a bit. Damn it! I found them without watching Jesse James
Yeah.
things.
Jesse J, I found it when I was watching.
I found these.
You said. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so yeah, but how much were these?
€2.
I don't know. I have no clue.
You can't get the sold out of it now, can you?
No, I've not opened the lever.
You
Right.
can use that old solder now as lighting conductor.
I can see. I know why this is normally lower than that. There. Yeah, so we have those. This is now cool sufficiently we can move it.
I really like the idea of having something where you can simply slap on a cable, because
Yeah.
normally I find myself with having some wires flying around, and then I go, how do I connect this now to my power supply? And
Yeah.
now I know.
There you go.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, they will be stackable, but normally, I have something like microprocessor, and I don't need a 2mm cable coming from there. So I normally have something very, very thin there, and I simply drop them in there.
Yeah, I do get a point about them being stackable normally, but
Yeah, these are not stackable, by the way.
No,
but they're quite nice.
they're still handy.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. Probably if I want to connect something like a barrel jack, a DC barrel jack, well, I'll probably just salvage off an old power supply and connect it to a bench supply. I can just poke the wires down here and put it in. Yep. Handy, guys. I like them. Well done, Detlef.
Things that make your life easier.
Correct. So, what else do we have today? Oh, yeah, we have some more stuff. You guys saw the video, some of you on this one. This is the battery capacitor tester. Charger, discharger, and it kind of monitors and it gives you the capacity. So if you've got some salvage batteries or something, this will effectively tell you if they're any good or not. And I built this. This is a PCBWay project. Yep. It powers up, and Detlef kindly volunteered to help me. We can sit together and program it.
Did I?
You certainly did.
Was I drunken?
Yeah, you were, but now it's out there, so that's it.
Oh, shite.
So this thing has a 80 mega 328 chip on, and you have to do something to program these things.
You know what?
What are they?
I remember this. This is a project where you need to guess what parts go where, right?
Yes, but I've done all that now. We've done all that.
You know what I would call this? A shitty project.
Yeah.
Whoever designs this, maybe this was a good idea to make this, blah, 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 blah. But if you want to publish this, do documentation. Don't let people guess what goes where.
Yeah.
What the F? I mean, Richard is very versed in his thing in electronics and stuff. But if you need to figure out what goes, this is not a project. This is something you build and then put it up for I don't know what. Because nobody can use this without re-engineering half of the thing.
Yeah, which is what we did. But it's very made an interesting video. It's fun.
Yeah.
So on here is a chip in the middle, there, that square thing, and these chips are from AliExpress, but you get them elsewhere. And these are not. This is what goes on an Arduino, aren't they?
They live on an Arduino Uno and a Nano, the old ones. But since Richard got them from AliExpress, I really hope these are not fake ones, because this is going to be fun.
So basically, before you can load an Arduino sketch on this, you have to put a bootloader on it?
No, you don't.
Okay, so why do we have to connect this to an Arduino to program the chip?
Because it's the easiest way to do that. If you put a program or a script sketch on an Arduino, that.
Okay, so you take an Arduino, one of those.
Yeah, you take the Arduino to program the Arduino, which gets to the hen and egg problem, because what was there first?
Oh, the egg was there first. We already know that.
Yeah, so by the way, this looks like it's already prepared for this. So you connect the ISP header to the ISP header over there, and then you simply flash the software that makes this a programmer over here, and then you flash this thing.
And then once you've done that, how do you get the actual program you want into that?
I just told you.
Oh, so basically you load the program you want into this Arduino.
No. There's a special script for that makes this a programming thing.
Okay, so you put the special script into this. Yeah. This is now a programmer. Yeah. And then how do you use this to get the contents that we need on this, onto this chip?
You tell the Arduino software that this thing is a programmer, and then it uses this to program this.
So this opens up the script, the sketch that you want, and sends it to that?
I'll show you.
This is why we need to make a video, guys. I hope you was interested in as me, because I still can't quite get my head around it.
It's got the silk screen for everything, where all the bits go.
Yeah, so but the component values are not there. There's no component references.
It's got 220 odd.
Yeah, some of them have.
That's a shitty project.
None of the stuff around here has.
No, that one's covered by the resistors have been put on the board.
I don't think you need to burn the bootloader, because I don't want to have USB connectivity over here, because the bootloader is only there if I want to program this chip without a programmer. Then I need a bootloader, but I don't need a bootloader when I have a program.
It didn't come from AliExpress.
No, but because of that opto isolate.
Yeah, bother with old Arduino stuff. Well, the old Arduino stuff is sometimes enough, so you don't need more processing power here. You don't need a ESP something that runs at 240 megahertz to just do, what is this thing doing?
It's effectively charging and discharging batteries and testing the capacity.
Yeah, that's where...
testing internal resistance as well?
I don't know, but this is the display obviously which goes on here. I think you connect a charger to it from what I've seen, and you can charge the battery, or you can connect a load and you can discharge the battery.
More guesswork?
No. The guy showed you how to use it, and you can either use it to charge batteries or discharge batteries, LiPo batteries.
Well, Triode, Tetrode, pick, I'd say, I wouldn't call pick modern, and I love my C#, so C++, so yeah, I'm sticking with Arduino. This is all a taste thing, you know. And Autumn Electronics, yes, you know, acts as an ISP programmer, so you send the code and it becomes the interface. Indeed, yeah, but you don't need the bootloader in this one here. This would only be needed if you want to program this right away, and without an USB interface.
Yeah,
it's stuck there anyways.
There is USB on this, but as far as I see, that is only power.
It looks like power, yeah.
Yeah, so this you can either use a barrel connector, you could use the USB, or next to it there's a little 2-pin header that says power. So you can...
Oh yeah, Greg, you say it's truer words haven't been spoken in this episode, anyways. Yeah.
Okay.
LiPo batteries have to be treated with care, as they can turn dangerous. Yep. This is why you need an explosion containment dish. Nah? Who got the reference?
A bucket full of sand, you mean?
That would work.
He's been watching Big Clive, though. Come on.
Yes.
That's what he's been watching. He likes his chicken pie dishes with his. Putting a battery in them when they're setting fire to them.
Lucas, this is what I'm always saying. C++ is simple. Yeah.
Somebody's just said Big Clive.
Could you use Xproc to program the chip? I don't know, and I don't care because I'm using the old Arduino thing here. Yeah.
Yeah, the guy who put the video up, he showed you how to connect the old Arduino, and then he gives you all the sketch and everything you need to do, which I have. So yes, that's how he showed you to do that and explained how you do it.
As a programming pins on board, well, Anthony, these pins are just IOs, so they're used for SPI communications because the programming Arduino thing is something very similar to SPI. So this is why you use these weird things here.
Yeah, and he shows you how to connect it to this connection on here.
Use 6 cables in the game.
But he shows you which wire goes where. He put more effort into showing you how to program this than he did to tell you what the components were that went on the board.
It doesn't help, and I really hope that the CPU is genuine.
It powers up.
That doesn't help.
No. How many fake CPUs are there around?
Well, I ordered 85, so chips that cost barely $1, and I got fakes.
Right. Okay.
From AliExpress, by the way. Yeah.
I ordered 2. I mean. Is there any way to test if they're fake?
Yeah, of course. When we connected everything and programming doesn't work.
Then
we spend 2 hours hoping that it isn't a CPU, and then we realize it's a CPU, and then we wasted 2 hours.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. I ordered 2, by the way, the processor chips.
Why only 2? Order 5 or 10. Okay, if it's fakes, that's a good idea.
We will see. We will see.
We need to do this somewhere. I don't know. I have no idea. Next week is complete. Wednesday morning.
We can do it. We can do it this week or next.
Some phone makes noise that we.
No, man.
Okay, so Detlef and myself will get together at some point before the next live stream in 2 weeks.
Oh, wait. Manticore says there's still a missing resistor on the board.
Why? Where? There are some missing components on the board because I haven't populated the additional power supply.
Oh, you meant that one.
Which one?
Does it mean that one? Conventional resistor.
Okay, so I think if you look at the one...
Does it mean that one?
Yeah. So I think if you look at the original video, the guy hasn't... When he showed it working, he hasn't got anything in there. He hasn't populated it.
So,
did I mention
let me see if I
shitty
can
project?
Or is it the base... Oh, no, is it the base resistor? Okay, I'll look at it. I knew what I was doing when I built it.
This track goes
when
up
you see
there.
Pamela Anderson's breast on the chip, you know it's fake. I don't know if this is a downside, you know? And the young Pamela Anderson, please.
It goes to that side of the...
This project is nonsense, so try out. Can you
know.
elaborate?
Don't know if you need it or not.
I seem to remember that on the photographs of the guy on the video, it wasn't populated.
It's going to that via there.
Yeah. We can soon work out where
it's
it goes.
underneath the display, and then wherever it's
Okay.
going off to
Let
them.
me get back in here.
Alright, just a second. Don't want to bend the legs. Which one's it going? So it's going up there, around here, up here, yeah. It's going to that via there. Don't know if you can see that. Turn it over, and it looks like it's going to that via there. So where's? And it looks like to me it's going down here, and it's going to that leg of that IC by the looks of it. So I don't know if it's required or not. Oh, yes, it might be, because that's going to your battery.
Montico says it's definitely shown underneath the board. Watch the video again. So the video from the guy.
Yeah,
obviously.
so that might be going. That's going to your battery. There.
Yeah.
So that might be
We have a
possibly be required. That.
Yeah, we have a sort of schematic for this as well. So
you soon find out when it didn't work.
Man, you're killing me. A sort of schematics.
Well, you can see. Well, he shows the schematic in the video rather than giving you the schematic, but he does show it during the video. Okay, we can look at the resistor.
Oh, there's a ballast resistor, so something with a load resistor, says Kaluka.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to have to be a few watts, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the other side of the board. Okay, so that's sometime this week or the coming week after.
Wednesday
we'll try and program it. Okay, so you should get that this week.
Just to reverse engineer and make a better one. I'm with Trio Tetrode here because he says AliExpress is full of battery testers. If you want an accurate one, need some real engineering. Definitely not these boards. Sorry, yeah, I'm with him there. Yeah, and does it make sense to re-engineer a battery tester? You know, if I want to charge my lipo cell, I can do this with a normal power supply.
Yeah.
Well,
and Segway.
Talking about batteries and testers and power supplies, I'd like you two guys to have a play with that, see what you think. I mean, I published a video, everybody knows my opinion of it.
You do know that I'm holding a camera here, right? So there's not much me playing around
I have a spare hand. So this is the MP305B. This is a...
Oh, MP3, perfect. Can it make music?
No.
Damn it.
It makes funny noises if you set it to charge a battery and don't connect a battery. Yes, it has an instruction book.
Touch not saw repair says I love that. Yeah, and with a saw, I'm inclined to say the same, but yeah, $255 Canadian before taxes.
Oof. Okay, can I just mention, by the way, that the link I put in the video was the Amazon link, and I put the link in specifically because the company that sent me this, ISDT, asked me to put that link in.
What's this?
It's a spare plug.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So the video is in completely my control. Everything I said is completely what. I actually put their link in that they asked. But if you want to have a look on AliExpress, in fact I'll add it. You can get these on AliExpress and they're quite a bit cheaper. In fact, while you unpacking that, I'll find
Do you want to need this box?
Page. You can do that. In here
Do
is...
you want to need that or not?
Yeah, this is just the
leads.
test leads. It's battery powered. There you go.
Or you use these.
Hey!
I will find you guys this on AliExpress. I quite liked this thing. One of my strange questions was, why does it have a ground connection on it? Because it's an isolated power supply running from battery.
Well, sometimes
Why does it have a ground? And the ground on here doesn't connect to either the plus or the minus. I tested that
So,
in the video.
You know, your phone would really get on my nerves.
Ah,
And I think mine is already noisy.
that's the input there, is it? Yeah.
it doesn't need power, it's battery powered.
Oh no, it's on the back. Sorry.
You don't need the USB. Unless you want to use it as a power bank or something.
Let's put these in for that off. Oh, they won't fit.
Really? Damn it.
I don't want to force it.
No.
It will fit.
Oh. So,
They will fit.
sometimes brute force works.
I don't like breaking anything.
You know why? These are new, so...
I don't know why you're plugging them in, because you can't easily test.
That's true.
Surely you'd be better off using these leads.
I just
so
wanted
we
to
don't-
Now we
plug
never-
them in. So
Now we'll never get them
people
out
can,
there.
people can see them. They
Kaluka
come out
prefer-
easier than what they went in.
You can see this on AliExpress, by the way, €126 plus another 21 in shipping.
Should I get this on screen?
You can do. Well, Dave's just connecting up. So yeah, you can get these on AliExpress. I'll add it to the products. I mean, I don't know why they just asked me to put the Amazon link. So I mean, the review I can say what I like, and I liked it.
Yep.
But yeah,
Guys, I can't tell you if you are sarcastic, because Kaluka says he prefers the old ones, the old analog linear ones, and Dutch says he likes the one with the tubes in there. You maybe want to have some that are drawn by a horse carriage or something.
I don't understand. I mean, I have linear bench power supply here, and I have the switch mode ones, and I've never found any situation where one is better than the other.
Hey,
You're on. So,
Okay, I'm so glad now.
so this switches the power supply on and off. It's a touch screen, or you can
No,
use the.
what makes this power supply so special? Wait, have a look. What are you missing?
Yeah, it's battery powered.
it's battery
Triode.
powered.
Yeah.
So once you charge
Yeah,
it, you
but
can.
look at this.
It's portable.
Triode. No input cable.
Which means it's isolated.
So are we going to connect it to anything?
Oh,
Or?
we can find a resistor or something.
Yeah,
Oh.
Triode. I think it's still pretty steep for a device like that, but I like the idea of having a nice power supply like that, and I can take it with me, and I don't need to run around. For me, like developing something in the field or something, when you have a microcontroller, oh, you want to charge something in the field like a battery,
Yes.
an RC car, you can use this.
Yeah.
Oh, crikey.
Oh, okay. Now comes the
Here's a resistor.
now the big resistors coming
Yeah.
on.
Yeah. Just a minute, so if you get back onto the screen, so you guys saw the review I made, but basically this has like various modes. So you've got USB PD, and then you can choose to emulate any sort of PD supply. You can switch on or off the various different broadcasts, you know, like 3 amp, 12
Yep.
volt and all the rest. You can choose what you want. And the other thing I rather liked
Oh,
about
Top
this,
Notch has a great example there. Nice for automotive field
Yeah.
diagnostics. Absolutely right, my friend. Yeah.
this is the charger function. So in here you can choose a battery type, whichever type of battery you want from the list.
I can't see this closer to eye contrast.
That's what I got. Yeah.
Watch.
It won't
Linking it up.
won't work with this camera.
Okay. Yeah. There is a menu there. So we got
Yeah, no way,
we got
no way.
LI,
Can't show this.
HV,
Can't
You
show
can't
this.
show it. Okay. Oh, you have it.
Yeah.
So you can use it to
This
charge
one.
batteries.
You know, this is why you pay me the big bucks here.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't! I remember now.
Yeah, you select the number of cells in the battery. 606 cells, for example. You can choose 6 cells, for example. You can go to battery
Sex
type.
cells? Did I hear sex
Yeah,
cells?
yeah. Lead battery. Condition. You can actually recondition batteries. So you
Go
choose
back to battery type, please.
battery type.
6 cells, not sex cells.
Ah, damn it. No, there are no cell batteries. Lithium, no, Lipo.
What's LIHV?
LIHV is a salt. I can't remember
Lithium.
this. Dutch, do you know this? Do you know this by heart? Help, please.
What's LILON? Or is that supposed to be lithium ion?
I
Ion.
think it's supposed to be lithium ion.
Lithium iron. LIFE, lead, and then this is nickel, cadmium, and IMH.
And then sodium functions there. Maybe this is a software thing. It could be that you can use it by software.
Yes, you can put different software in.
I have no what lithium, of course, but HV. I have no idea what this is.
No, I don't know what is it either. LIHV.
4.35, so
Voltage per cell, that is.
Yeah.
15 cells. Is it lithium high voltage?
no, it's not 15 cells. It's one cell.
One cell, sorry.
One cell in series.
But you can obviously go to that and choose either any cells in series. And then last data, so you can store the settings and call
Okay,
them back up
that
again.
says no, but 1 2 cell batteries that would show sodium. LE, IV to max voltage. Okay, yeah, thanks. This is why I love this community. You guys know so much stuff.
No, there's more.
Of course, Na for sodium. So thanks, Joey.
There's more. What's that?
Oh no, there's not more.
There isn't more.
Sadly not.
But because you can actually program this.
Would you trust this thing? This is a different question.
Well, I can.
Well, you said you would build your own thing for your own battery, so you would trust that, right? Why not trust this?
Anyway, have a play with this.
For something 100 and something pound or whatever currency you're in, then surely you're gonna,
Yeah.
surely they've done bench testing and quality testing and.
Yeah. So I had it running as regulated supply, and I had it at 30 volts, 5 amps basically into a load. And the load was getting very warm, obviously, at 150 watts, and this was running quite happily with almost no ripple. I can tell you that much. Anyway, if you guys want to have a play.
Yeah, and this goes back where we always have the discussion with Dutch about which is better. And I think before you say which is better, I would say for what purpose, because me as a microprocessor guy,
It's not on at the moment, is it?
I normally 5 volt anything.
This turns it on this button.
All right.
Okay, they won't listen to me. I know I'm sure.
I'm listening to you.
No, I'm not caring enough.
I think you were talking to the.
Yeah, well,
Are they not listening to you out there?
and then you guys were discussing something, so I don't care.
I've connected up.
Oh, it's on.
30 volts.
At what colour
Is it supposed to be on that? 3.7.
Well, it's an 8 ohm resistor load. Obviously, as the resistor warms up, it'll increase a bit. Yes, a bit warm. So the resistance will gradually.
So 112 watts. So yeah, this should be. This should be. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's going up. How long does the charge last for? Did you test this?
It's 70 amp hours or 72 amp hours. So at its full wattage, about 30 minutes or so. It's 150 watts.
Yeah, Dutch, I'm agreeing with you. Yeah.
About 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, it's pushing 112 watts. At the moment.
And when I put my scope meter on, if you want, by this on the video, on the review, there's practically no ripple on it.
Plump. Yep. Plump. Okay.
Where did you get the big resistor from?
I have 2 of them, the double load, AliExpress.
All right.
They're cost, I don't know what much. They're 8 ohm each. They're 2,000 watt apparently.
Yeah.
I've put forced air cooling on, but
Yeah.
quite happy running at 150 watts.
This is drawing now. Wait, I can zoom in here and then I can focus. I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
112 watts.
I said is for 5 amps, so you can do 30 volt 5 amps. What's the limit here?
Well, 30 volts, 5 amps. So I did that using the 5 ohm resistor, and it was dropping to about 27 volts. Obviously, resistance in the leads as well, and 5 amps. So yeah, this is just getting nicely warm. So I bought these. I need to set them up for soak testing amplifiers.
Yeah. Yeah, on the outputs.
Yeah. So anyway, what do you guys think of this? You think it's overpriced? You think it's overrated. Obviously I didn't get sent one, but I can see a use for it. My main use for this was if, for example, I'm working on switch mode power supply.
Yeah.
And I want to power up like the switch mode power supply controller chip, which is on the high voltage side, because it's not powering up, and I want to see if the power supply actually runs.
Without it
Interesting.
applying mains to it.
Yeah, because this is isolated, I can clip one end to hot ground, other end onto the chip that feeds it, set 15 volts or whatever, and run it. That's my.
As X-Man has I love this. I love you guys because you're always thinking out of the box there. Would it be allowed on a flight?
Yes, you'd have to put it in your hand luggage.
How did it get over here?
Well, obviously on a.
That's on a.
Flights didn't take long.
Didn't go through the Strait of Hormuz.
It's not on a. It's on an airline, but it's not on an airline that's carrying passengers.
100 watt hours is for planes. I think is maximum. Oh, this is why the new DJI batteries are 99 watt hours.
Yeah, this is 140 watt hours.
What maximum voltage does it go up to?
30 volts, 5 amps.
Is it just 30 volts and that's it?
Well, you can set the voltage, obviously. It's a bench power supply, so you can set the voltage and the current to whatever you want.
Can you go higher than 30 volts?
No, 30 is 100.
Right,
it's a 30 volt, 5 amp.
Yeah.
That's the maximum. It's showing you how many watt hours it's used here.
Yeah.
But when you set it to like PD mode,
power delivery.
it's 28 volt, 5 amp. That's PD 3.1.
Yeah.
I can see the use. I think it's a bit pricey, but I think 40 or 50 would be too cheap. I mean, how much would the 140 watt power bank cost you to start with? Which is what it is. And then it's a bench power supply. And it's a good battery charger with lots of settings.
Yeah.
That's my.
I mean.
Yep, I'm with you. Oh, this is toasty now.
Yeah.
This is nice and toasty.
Nice and toasty now.
I don't know whether to turn it off or leave it on.
Switch it off. Just hit the button.
Yeah. I mean, me being me and in my
Brian Michael is getting weird ideas into the crowd. Richard would be lovely. Would love to see you design and build your own bench power supply, 0 to 30.
I've done it before.
0 to 5 or 10 amps. So.
I've done it before on the channel. I'll give you the video links to it. It's already on there.
Oh, you agree? Yeah.
Yeah, 65.75 I would pay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see these now on AliExpress for about 135.
I mean, price might come down after the.
Bear in mind, you can use the coupons for this as well. So on the AliExpress price, 135, 140. If Jack can get on the screen.
Why?
And you can use the coupons.
Thank you. That left. If I just point to it, then it won't.
Why does that say 665?
Yeah, 635.
Wow, that's a cool price.
That's yeah. Are you buying 50 of them or?
Shall I tell you why they do this? Some AliExpress sellers. So it's something to do with if you've got your listings but you've got no stock. Then if somebody buys it and you can't ship it, then you get penalised. So what they do is
6 of them at 110.
No. That's saying 6 months without 6 months interest free.
Oh Christ!
So what they do is because they've got no stock, they increase the price to a point where nobody's going to buy it. Because if I buy this AliExpress and the shipper doesn't ship it within. It didn't come with a tripod, but there's a tripod mount under it. So if the shipper doesn't ship the item within a certain time, they get penalised by AliExpress. So rather than removing the listing, they'll put the price to something silly. Sometimes you find this on eBay as well. And then when the stock comes back in, they set the price back to what's this?
No, weird.
That's why they do that. Yeah, this is so many months interest-free credit.
But if I seen that on a website saying 600 and whatever euros, I'd be like, no, I'm going straight to a different website.
Yeah, exactly, because they don't want you to click on the link and to buy it. It's something to do with the way the system works. Don't ask.
That was a B there. That one there come up a B.
Okay, this is the B.
Oh,
B like in
it's just
battery.
not-
B
right,
is
oh.
battery, so there's an A
Oh.
version and the B version. So the A version is mains powered. Well, it's PD powered.
Right.
It doesn't have the battery. The B version has the battery. So yes, there is an A version. But yeah, I can get what you're saying. I'll keep this around because I can honestly see sometimes if I'm working on mains powered stuff and I want to connect to bench supply on the high voltage supply for some reason.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Or inject.
Probably inject 15 volts to the VCC pin on the pulse width
or
modulator
1
chip.
volt onto.
Or 1 volt.
I was just thinking about voltage injection. Yeah.
Voltage injection on non-mains isolated stuff. Do you like what's underneath it, Dan? Left?
So what?
Like what's underneath? Yeah, tripod mount.
Well, I think this is very good, very thought through.
I mean, I'd use one on the bench if I didn't have a decent, massive
Isolation
bench power
transformer.
bench power supply.
Yeah.
A big FRL one that was done by Thunder or something. I can't remember, but yeah, it come from FRL.
Yeah.
Sorry. I mean, I've got the system pipe around my workshop, so I can plug in wherever I am and not have to go specifically to an area where where I've got the power supply. But yeah, I mean that's handy, especially if you've got like a small work area.
Well, the thing I'm thinking of, so this is audio repair, okay, but with an audio amplifier, often I might want to power it up with bench supply. And I might use plus and minus 90, say, off my high voltage one. And I might want plus and minus 15 or 18. But what those amplifiers also have a separate, isolated 12 volt or 24 volt supply, not connected to reference to ground. Quite often for the high side MOSFET drivers and things. Whereas I can use that as an isolated supply as well. And inject that. And it's isolated from the ground from the other two supplies. So I can see possible uses for it when I'm trying to power equipment up on the bench using bench supplies.
Yeah, because you could be using your bench supplies which are on the mains.
Yes.
And then if you need
another isolated
which
voltage,
is separate, and so it's not going to
not reference to ground.
Yes.
That's it.
And then cause an issue elsewhere.
Yeah, and often you'll find that on class D, so we've got high side and low side MOSFETs. And the high side MOSFET driver, because the gate is referenced to the source, which is not ground on the high side, that's why you have these floating supplies and amplifiers, and that is a floating supply.
Yeah.
Does this have Bluetooth?
It has Bluetooth and it has some web page thing built into it.
So that makes this way more handy. And you have a programmable board thingamajig, so you can program something like boop, 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 boop.
Steps.
Yeah.
Are you able to pick it up on your phone?
Yes, it's Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Although I didn't demonstrate that, but yes.
Yeah, the price, I'm still on the fence. Yeah, Kaluka, absolutely with you.
I mean, the price might come down a bit, but
well, if people are not buying this, the price will go up. So
yeah.
Don't buy it now. Wait until the price drops.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there may be other versions of that. It's a very unusual device, though. I don't know of anything else at the moment on the market that's the same as that. And I can see use cases. But yes, I get what you guys say about the price, absolutely.
Yeah, got a lot.
Too much, Megan. Yeah, way too much. Yeah, and as X-Men just answered,
What was in it? I don't see.
Okay, while David's putting that away, anybody want a beer?
Oh yeah, please.
Beers.
Beers.
Oh, beers.
20 minutes to go.
20 minutes to go, beers. Oh, we have something to look at, something different, completely different. So we get the beers first.
Is the battery replaceable? Well, now you need to tear down with this.
Now you need to tear down to have is a battery replaceable.
No idea, mate. I would guess not.
I would guess it is replaceable.
I would presume it
apart.
is. I would presume it is.
Just deserves a close-up shot. Looks like your resistors.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah.
So I bought these at a Carrefour yesterday. It's a supermarket. We have a supermarket, and they had a pack of 12 of them for €6.04. So I bought them.
Was that cable? Sorry,
Yes, that gives them
people,
the thing
it's
as well.
you in the
I'll deal
cans
with
of
this.
beer.
I'll deal with this later.
Thank you.
So yeah, beer.
Oh, of course, Bitburger. Sure.
So this is Alhambra beer. Cerveza Alhambra, Spanish. This one is 6.4% alcohol.
Damn, you're
That's
going
no.
to be so pissed.
And they're really strange cans. They're long and thin,
Wow.
but they're 33 cl, and they were cheap, really cheap. It was made in Murcia, so it's Spanish mainland beer. This
So,
one.
look and open up the PSU and see if you can replace the battery.
Okay.
Yeah, and see what batteries inside. And Brian, did I hear you wrong? Or has Richard made a video about the idea of a very large power supply?
You heard me right. I have, but I would have to find it. If you search something like 0-30 volt PSU DIY on my channel, you don't have to search on the channel. You just go to the home page where you can see videos,
Yeah.
and there's a little question mark, and you put it in the box. So I'd search something like 0-30 volts. In fact, now I need to do it, don't I?
Yes.
So search
No. Little. Yeah, this one.
this one here, the little question
Button.
and then we put 0-30 volts. See what we can find. So it's only search my videos.
Yeah, first one.
There's that one. There you are, 0-30 volt, 0-10 amp lab power supply using ATX. I don't think I've actually finished that one, but this one, build a bench DIY power supply, 0-10 amp.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
It was just when I got to the island.
And there was the part 2. So yeah,
This
that's
is-
how to find stuff. There was a couple there. It's that one and that one. And yes, I did build it. The only thing with this bench power supply is you need a high current transformer, linear, to drive it.
Oh, this looks like one of the PCBWay projects.
Yeah, it is a PCBWay project, and it worked. This one actually worked fine. I then tried to power that project from an ATX power supply in series, but it didn't work doing that.
I remember.
It's meant to use linear supply, and it has a relay to switch the voltage. So you need like a 15015 or 18018,
All right.
and then you can, in fact, as you decrease the voltage, it switches to the lower input, and then it steps to the higher, and that reduces the wattage dissipated by the output transistors. And that's all linear, that one. So yeah.
Yes, X-Men, 99 watt hours. I remember that for the new DJI drones, the battery packs are 99 watt hours.
What's that other device you've got, Richard?
Oh. Okay.
Oh shit!
I found this at the
It's
car boot
always
sale.
Some of this crap.
I found some crap at the car boot sale. I found it not this Sunday, the Sunday before. I rather liked the look of the case it was built in. He wanted, after some arguing, I got in under €12 for this junk.
From what price did he want?
20, I think, 20, and I got down to 12. He was at 15 eventually. I went, you're for €12. So I quite liked the cabinet it was built in. What do you guys think of this? And we'll open
It's
it
like
up.
something for Space 99. Let me get in for the money
Oh
shot.
Christ, it goes 700 volt.
Ooh.
12.69 700 volt PA current receive signal. SSB. I think it's a radio, you know.
It's a pie.
Joey, you're so right, mate.
It's a chicken pie.
Mode.
USB. Oh, the thing
Carrier wave. It's a radio.
It has USB.
Yeah.
No, it's upper sideband. Yeah.
And it go
Lower sideband.
Lower sideband. It's a
and it can
radio.
And it go clockwise.
Off on S standby. And then if we look at the back of it, it has some big heat sinks.
antenna.
And yeah, but there's lots of antenna connections.
DC PSU.
Yeah, DC power supply, yeah.
Yeah, here's all the antennas.
So what is it?
With
really?
PL259.
How do you power the thing up anyway?
Through here.
And it's DC power supply or?
Yeah.
Yeah, there have been cables before. DC PSU and 500 milliampere fuse.
And it says 700 volt on the front of it.
Whoa.
So what?
Since we're not going to power this up, it doesn't matter anyways.
But no, but we can always decide it.
Ah, shite.
So, screwdriver.
Flat bladed screwdriver.
Well, there's two on the top.
Medium size.
Flathead.
Yes.
Right.
Don't call me name.
And don't call me Flathead. Here.
From the Enterprise A, yeah, probably.
I'm sure you guys will be very interested to see what's inside this. It's my problem is I see junk like this.
Oh. They're
Quick release open.
yeah.
Spring release. There's only two. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Quick release. That's what's inside it.
Yep, it's definitely a radio.
Oh, it smells of nice
Oh,
electronics.
crap.
There's something missing.
Oh no. I thought somebody had cut some wires there, but no, they've just while they fed down a different route. I don't why they come up that way and then go back down.
So there must be some
don't know.
optional thing that we're going here. Or there's something that isn't in there.
Possibly. It's big, yeah, you can probably adapt it.
Danger, high voltage. What's it? I'm interested to see what this is actually for. It was just fun. If anything, I thought the cabinet might be useful for building something into.
Well, the speaker looks nice.
The speaker does it nice.
Oh, talking about speakers, I need to order one for the bearing thing.
Okay.
I'm not prepared to wait any longer.
Okay.
Oh, it's got some valves in it.
Sort of valves in it.
Straight down here. Oh, there's a top missing off that valve.
Okay, so it's,
Don't
it's
plug
broken.
it in.
It's broken.
Not unless you can get a different valve for it. Replacement valve.
I think I just bought it for the fun of it, really.
What the frack is that? That? Okay, I need
Inductor.
I need
Yeah,
the
the-
swarm intelligence, please.
It has all these clips attached to it.
Yeah, the top off. They're topping off a certain.
Yeah, they're tapping off. It's an inductor.
Toast, yeah.
Can we get the broken valve out of it?
Those tuning capacitors have seen better days, sorry.
Can we get the broken valve out and see what it is? I thought for €12 it was worth it just for the cabinet.
Have we,
I don't know. Something holding that in place.
I think it's just because it's in an awkward area to get to.
So we can't have that. There might be a transformer there. I don't know.
No, it's in a clip.
Doesn't want to use that. It's broken.
It isn't getting out of there.
No. Don't
Okay.
don't
Okay, move. The people want to see money shots.
It's just awkward to get
There's
to.
8 coming out.
And what's your beer?
It's a Pi, P-Y-E, Pi, SSB 130.
Yeah,
That's what it's actually-
Google that.
Let's see what it actually is.
Even though I don't like Google.
Well,
Schematics on paper are missing, yeah. Shango would love this. Okay.
Oh, that's a nice.
who would want it?
Let's do a nice camera move.
Okay.
And now I'm knocking with the lens to sing.
It's a transceptor, high frequency.
Sure.
It's all in Spanish.
Of course, it's a transceptor.
Made in the 70s.
Yeah, I was guessing.
On 130 watt.
130 watt maximum power, 100 watt operate frequency, 2 megahertz to 15 megahertz.
Ship
Oh, what
communications.
was that about?
Ah.
USB. Oh, here we go.
For maritime use. This could be, yeah,
What's the ham radio today? So
There's one ham radio today.
Yeah.
that's my kind of electronics. Manticore, you can come over here and
Collect it. Manticore, if you want it, you can come and fetch it.
Yeah.
Before it ends up as a pile of parts. It's not overly heavy. You can get it into a case. I paid €12 for it. What will cost you? €12. Not looking for a profit. Where's Manticore?
I have no idea what this thing does.
No, the taps, aren't they?
This looks like alien tech to me, you know. Old alien tech, I mean.
But we do know it has a broken vacuum tube or valve.
Yes, which we can't find out what.
Well, we can't find out what it is because we can't get.
What tube it is.
Would it be the same tube as the other one that isn't broken?
I would guess so.
Can we get the other one out?
Yeah, some
High voltage anode.
Bulgin. Ooh, Bulgin.
Bulgin.
That company's still going, Bulgin.
Huh?
Okay, a Sexman, a fixed channel HF transceiver designed around 1971, which operated on up to fixed frequency between 2 and 15 mega C-S. I don't know what this is. With a power of 100 watts, primarily intended to SSB operation.
Single sideband.
Whatever you say.
Have you ever like in old films where people are talking on the radio, is it like the voice going up and down the frequency? That's sideband.
Yeah, you know, I'm thinking of Jaws and something, and when they smash the radio gear, and this looks like the radio gears are smashed. This is probably where this tube got smashed.
I don't want to risk
Okay,
pulling that off.
okay, we'll leave the tube
I don't want to risk
alone.
pulling that
Mega
off
cycles, thank you.
because it could end up looking like this one.
Yeah,
Well, I don't think
Where
that we
potentially
need this,
somebody's.
that we actually need this for something.
we don't need it for anything. So if somebody wants it,
Yeah.
€12. But you'll have to ship it or whatever.
Oh, Manticore had a pirate radio thing. Okay, yes.
Yeah, it's not. It's quite
You probably know than
less than 20k
more of these
anyway.
things than I do. Way more.
Probably less than 10 kilos.
Yeah,
Kilos. It's not
probably
over.
about 8.
Yeah.
You could probably put it in your hand luggage.
You guys with all your knowledge, is this actually something for maritime use? So from a ship? Oh, that's a manual. That's X-Man. Cool, mate. Thank you very much.
It says you can connect separate aerials for each frequency range, or you can use a common any or a multi-band one. The two versions, most common is the 130M. This is the 130, not M.
Oh, so
130M is for mobile operation.
well,
Built-in speaker volume and squelch control, so it could be the M version. And the F having an elongated fascia housing a metering panel. This is the F, because it's got the metering panel. Because the M, you can see the picture really doesn't. Okay, so it's the SSB 130F. DC power supply fits into an opening in the rear, 12 volt or 24 volt. AC supply comes in the back. There you go. Yeah, there's lots of information on it here. So I would say that this is the F. F is similar, having an elongated fascia housing a metering panel,
that's how they work.
and this has the metering panel and Vox, it says on it.
That's how they work.
Well, it tells you how to twiddle the knobs and stuff. There you go.
What she said.
Kaluka, I don't think that. I don't even know what frequencies would have been used in this thing.
It tells you on here.
Well, but you need an antenna for this, probably.
Yes, it says that you can fit a wideband antenna, or you can up to 6 antennas, and on different bands each have their own antenna.
Yeah, they're all there.
It all tells you the frequencies
Well,
here.
it didn't come with a ship, you know?
It didn't come with the ship, no.
Captain Birdseye.
Used to cover 80 metre, 40 metre, 30 metre and 20 metre amateur bands, and with a bit of stretching up to 160 metres if required. Ours is the elongated version. I don't know what to do with it now. I mean, I bought it mainly just to entertain you guys. But if somebody wants it, I have one. What would you use it for if you had one now?
Got it? Get a Bluetooth amplifier in there and
Yeah.
what?
You can't see that. We're going to look at the output transistors, but
And maybe use RGB LEDs in there so you got some lighting.
Yeah.
The doorstep, yeah, that would work too, Carter. Yeah. Sell it to Mr. Carter.
sorry.
He wants to look, let's see what the output transistors are if we can get to them. Well, the output is the valves. The valves are the RF output.
Yeah.
This is part of the power supply.
Give you some more money shots here, because I have a different angle now.
Well, the output of the output transistors of the power supply. So.
Do you know? I suspect if you can replace that vacuum tube valve, it would probably work.
Possibly.
Is this a transistor?
Sorry?
Is that a transistor
yeah.
there? That rusty looking thing.
Rusty looking thing. Where are you looking?
Underneath that black wire, under here, directly under this wire. The round.
Zoom's backup unit. Yeah, at least you can smash zombies' zombie heads with that.
There's like a circular thing here. I've got my finger right now.
Oh.
That.
Oh, it's an old transistor.
An old transistor.
Sorry, got that. No, there's another screw there.
Okay, but you want to know what's in the back of it now, don't you?
Well, you know, if you're thinking of a doomsday device,
A doomsday
you can always smash zombie heads with this.
You certainly could. There are two transistors, TR1, TR2.
You need to change all capacitors. Well, you know what?
Okay.
I know I'm sacrificing here. This is sacrilege to say that, but if I want to reach somebody, I use my phone.
Okay, we have transistors.
It's a.
What do we have?
A FVO 9534.
Oh,
What
this
the-
one.
What
Was
the
it
hell?
9584? I can't tell.
9584.
I've got my glasses on.
No, I think it's 19534 and 19584. They're both 9584.
One could be.
No, they're both 9584.
Yeah.
What the hell is that transistor?
Yeah, checking it out.
You can have a look. What's it marked?
VF. Sorry, V.
V?
Idiot. FVO.
FVO
Yeah, 9584.
9584. Datasheet. Well. Not a standard part number.
Just try
Really?
FV0.
FV
0 numerical.
09584.
Yes.
Oh, so fitting.
Because one of these transistors has got it marked as FV0 numerical.
No.
And then the other one has got it FVO.
Assessment already has figured this out. Motorola M9584 RF range power transistor NPN silicon.
So
M9584.
is the FVO relevant or not relevant?
Is this one?
One says, but to ham radio guys is a potentially gold because of its repairability and durability. I know that other qualities I would be interested, but this stuff lasts forever. Well,
what was it? If somebody thinks it's gold, I'm quite happy to let it go for 12 years I paid for it.
It didn't last forever.
And maybe a beer. You know, I mean, I'm not.
Yeah. I say this every time we talk about this. Shipping situation with postal from the island is horrible.
But ask.
Well, they'd have to come and collect it.
Either have to come and collect it, or I'll give you a price to ship it.
Yeah, and I'm absolutely with Dutch. It needs full restoration. It will cost way too much for normal people like us. Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Those that are interested in restoring something like this.
There will definitely be people interested.
Yeah.
Oh, ham radio license and stuff.
Keep your finger on it, Richard. Can't get me screwy.
Yeah, there'll be radio amateurs who would love this.
Yeah.
But you guys, at least the ones of you in the EU, in the UK, I mean, it's not a bad place coming for a few days on holiday, you know. Don't bring much stuff, and this will go in your case.
You guys know what?
What?
We're running for 2 hours now, and I'm getting hungry.
Oh, okay.
So,
just a question before we.
Camera goes into sleep mode now.
Just a question before we end.
Yeah.
I've never done any YouTube videos for myself.
Have a go.
For my own place. So, what does people think?
Okay. Well,
I don't want to go buying all this DJI crap and all that because it's like, oh, you need an account to whip this camera, stick it up your arse. No. Do I just need some basic cameras?
I'm the one to talk to you about that.
Yep.
Here's the one to talk about this.
There you go.
Well, yeah.
So,
my thing is, give it a go. What's the worst that could happen?
Yep. Should I give it a go? What does people think?
Answer now. Answer now. Magical says, I would love to play with it, but I already have to do so much junk in my house. I'm trying to declutter and not much more, but I'm still going to find on some lucky punter. Any football
Thank you, Megan.
No, mate. Sorry, no football for me. Yeah, the valves are still available, but okay, you already locking out of everybody. Okay, the people are leaving. So
Yeah. We're going as well.
Okay, we're going as well, guys.
Must be.
Thanks for being with us. And it was not Carlos. Dave, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
I keep forgetting cameras up there.
Yep.
I keep looking down here.
So,
okay, we're cutting out now.
We're cutting out now. Cheers, guys.
See you in a fortnight.